But we divide magnification here in terms of what? Of size. Abi? And if we are talking about what? About size. Size has two dimensions. It may be height, it may be what? Distance. So we can change this magnification from the size we have here size to what? To height, or do what? Distance. So if we change it to what? If we divide this magnification in terms of what? Of size. Now, in terms of height, now we can now have what? Magnification because of the what? Image height, which is what? HO over what? Object what? Height, which is what? HI. Don't be so? So this expression can also be what? M equal to what? HO over what? HI. Call it what? Equation what? Equation 2. We can also divide our magnification in terms of what? Of distance. This one is what? In terms of what? Of height. This in terms of what? Of size. Abi? So here magnification in terms of what? Of height, of distance. So magnification in terms of what? Of this one now, of distance. It will be what? Image what? Distance, which is what? DI over what? Object distance, which is what? DO. Abi? So what do we have now? We can have magnification M equal to what? DI over what? DO. This is also what? Another way of expressing magnification, equation 3. But we can equate so equation 1 and what? Equation 2. So by equate them together, equation 1 and equation 3. So what do you have in what? In equation what? Equation 2. We have H what? O I. Sorry, HI or HO equal to what? This equation 2. D what? DI and what? DO. So this is also what? Another way of what? Expressing what? Magnification, which is equation what? Equation 4. So the next thing now we do now is what? Let us solve 2 or more questions on how to use what? These 4 magnification formula. So let us solve these 2 examples given under magnification. The solution. The first question. I've told you several times that in a physics calculation, you are given question to solve. The first thing that we do is what? Try to what? Write out all the parameters given from the what? Questions. So example 1, they said an object is 20 centimeter height. That is, the object here, the height of object we have here is what? 20 what? Centimeter. That's what? Given that what? Height of object is 20 centimeter, which is this height, is 30 centimeter from the hole of the camera. Is 30 centimeter from the hole of the camera. That is, this is the hole of the camera. Distance between the hole of the camera and the object is what? is 30. So you can now say what? The distance of object is also what? 30 centimeter. Then, if the height of the image is 15, you can see that what? The height of this image form here is what? It's 15. You can now say what? The height of image I is what? Is 15 centimeter. You can now see that what? The height of object is 20. The image is what? 15. And add to that what? The image size is always decrease. That are called what? Diminish. Abi? You are now asked to find the what? What is the distance of the image from the PO? So the image distance is what? Unknown. You have to find this one, Abi. So which of these three formula can we use? Is it the first one, or the second, or the third, or the fourth? So which of the formula contains H and D together is equation what? Equation 4. And you are now saying what? Using HI over what? HO equal to the what? DI over what? DO. Here's the formula now. So what is what? The HI. Our HI is what? 15. HO is 20. So what is DI? DI is what? Unknown. What is what? DO. DO is also what? 30. So what we do next now? We cross what? Multiply. This will come here, this will come here. You now have what? 20 DI equal to the what? 30 multiplied by what? 15. So you now divide both sides by what? By this 20. You now have what? DI equal to the what? 30 multiplied by 15 over what? Over 20. So if we do that, bam, bam, your DI is supposed to be what? 22.5 centimeter. So the distance of the what? Of the image will be what? 22.5 centimeter. Distance of the image from the PO is 22.5 centimeter. That's the final answer for what? For the first one. The second question, which is question what? Number 2. Solution to what? Solution to question what? Number 2. To obtain a magnification of 2.5, that is, our magnification M is 2.5. Good. The next thing we are given there is what? How far should an object is placed in front of the what? Of the PO. That is what? The alpha distance. The object distance is what is unknown. They said alpha. Object distance is what is unknown. Which is what? Alpha. And the next from the PO camera of length this. The length of the PO camera is what? Is 10. That is what? The image. The image what? Image distance is what? 10 centimeter. Do you get it right here? They said how far of an object, that is what? Distance of object to the camera, which the PO camera length is what? The length of the camera here is the what? DI. It is what? On what? Unknown. You are now asked to what? To find the what? Magnification. So what is magnification? Which of these three formula comprise of what? Of DI and DO? Which is this third one? Abi? Can I say what? Magnification is equal to the what? DI over what? DO. What is magnification? We have two words. 2.5. What is DI? DI is what? Is 10. What is DO is unknown. By causing what? Multiplication. What do we have here? Let me come to this side. Cause multiplication. We have 2.5 DO equal to the what? 10. So DO equal to the what? 10 over what? 2.5 in 10, we have 4. So DO will be what? It will be 4 centimeter. So that is how what? We calculate the PO what? Camera, the magnification of PO what? Camera. Try to solve more questions under it from your textbooks. So the next thing that we check now is what? Is formation of what? Of shadow.